In this video, I will answer a very common question regarding combination continental style of knitting that I get a lot from my subscribers. Just a reminder, in this style, you knit through the back loop and you purl through the front loop. It totally makes sense. The anatomy of the twist is that you twist the stitch on the knit side and you untwist it on the purl side. So the question is, but what about the first row? If you use the most common cast-on techniques for this combination continental knitting and you start knitting, you just have a twisted row. We talk about stockinette stitch. So first of all, let's see if that's true. Okay, first of all, let's cast on just a few stitches and check the first row. Do we have a first row twisted if we start from knit stitches? Let's keep the first one and I knit through that back loop as we always do for this combination continental style. And what we see here, the stitches are obviously twisted. How do you know? You see, this leg kind of stands in front. It gives you that twist. So what to do? The first answer is, of course, ignore. I sometimes just ignore because in just a few seconds I will reach the purl row. Let me turn my work. Skip the first stitch and let's see what happens on the purl row if you just ignore that first row. Well, we've got our comfortable purl stitches. I purl easily through this front loop. No extra movement, no nothing. This is what we like the style for. And let's see what happens on the knit side. Well, it's just nice stockinette stitch, except for the first row. There's this obvious twist. Okay, and the second thing you can do here is just start your stockinette from the purl row and let's see what happens. If we analyze the stitches of the first row, I mean it's the foundation row, just the one that you have from the cast on, you see that the front leg of the stitch is the leading leg. So if the front leg is the leading leg, we usually purl in this style, right? So we purl through this front leg. And if I turn the work, what happens on the knit side? The answer will be obvious when we finish this knit row. So we've already got this purl row and now I'm on my knit row. Let me finish this. And does this first row look nicer? Well, it does. Let's analyze this screenshot. The left picture, the number 1, looks more like conventional stockinette stitch. And the number 2, the right one, it looks like something is off. You see the difference now? The first one looks better, like from the knitting books, right? And this is the one that we started from the purl row. Does this first row matter? Well, it does if you use chunky, bulky yarn and every single stitch is very visible. In my case, it's usually not because I use finer yarns, but for you to get the idea of the stitch anatomy, I hope that it helps. Please let me know if you have any other questions and I will see you in the comment box.